Hello friends, myself Chetan Sir. Today we will start the English medium Bohr's model, chapter number 2, Bohr's model for hydrogen atoms. So, different atomic structure, Bohr's can study hydrogen atoms and derive some statement. So, first statement, according to quantum number. So, first in a quantum numbers. So first quantum numbers, it means suppose value of taken n. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to nth terms is a electron are present in a stable orbits. Stable orbit, it means for the first orbit electron are only circular motion with first orbit. Suppose second orbit electron, so completed in a second orbit electron in a only second orbit. So value of n can be changed, so the number of quantum orbit can be changed. Suppose first orbit taken n equal to 1, second orbit taken n equal to 2. Now this is known as a main quantum number. Second statement, discuss about radius of their orbits. Radius, so represented by r. Radius of their fixed orbit, it means electrons are rotated only in a particular orbit. So radius Rn is equal to n square into A0, where A0 is equal to 52.9 pm, P means picometer, 52.9 picometer, A0. Here value of n, it means for Bohr's atomic study of hydrogen atom, therefore atomic number of hydrogen, and for only first orbit, therefore n equal to 1. So quantum number taken n equal to 1, therefore 1 square into 1, therefore radius of first orbit can be taken as 52.9 picometers. Now n equal to 1, so n equal to 1 we get answer n equal to 1, therefore R1 is equal to 52.9 picometers, and its first orbit is known as Bohr's orbit. Now when the value of n can be increased, so value of r will be increased. Value of n, it means n is increased, then value of r, it means radius will be increased. So it means electrons are more far to nucleus. Value of n can be increased, so value of n means quantum number, so increase 1, 2, 3, 4, so value of radius increase, it means from the nucleus, first is the nucleus, first value, second value, third value, so n will be increased, so radius, first radius is the second radius, third radius, so n increase, similar here radius will be increased, therefore value of n increase, r increase, and electron, first electron, second electron here, third electron here, so more far to nucleus. Next, energy in orbits. Which orbit is a fixed orbit? Stable orbit. Energy of a stable orbit. How can you calculate the energy of a stable orbit? So energy can be considered or coincide with stable orbit, so is known as stable energy. It means suppose energy of first term in previous Bohr's postulate, we have to find out the frequency, it means nu of orbits and angular momentum. Now we have find energy of this stable orbit. Equation, energy of any orbit is equal to minus r h is equal to 1 upon n square, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 and RH is known as Rydberg's constant. Rydberg constant. And value of RH is equal to 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 Joule. Value of RH, Rydberg constant, 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joules. So here represented 1 means atomic number, quantum number. For hydrogen, n is equal to 1, therefore taken n equal to 1 divided by n square, n means 1. So the energy of first quantum number, it means energy for n equal to 1 minus RH bracket 1 divided by for any hydrogen n equal to 1, therefore this step can be neglected. So value of minus RH, it means minus 2.8. So the value of E1, it means energy of first quantum numbers, is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule. For second quantum numbers, so the energy can be classified 4, so minus 2.18 into minus 8 multiplied by 1 divided by n square. For n equal to 2, it means 1 divided by 2 square. Here represented atomic number. So Z equal to 1 for hydrogen, so taken 1. For second quantum number, therefore n equal to 2, therefore 2 square, it means 4 square. So final answer minus 0.45 minus 0.4545 into 10 raised to minus 80 joule. So energy of second quantum number, second level. So in this sense, we have to find energy for different n, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, any number you can find out the energy level. So we find out the energy of stable orbit by using this equation. En is equal to minus RH into bracket Z divided by n square. Hydrogen Z equal to 1, therefore 1 upon n square. Now discuss about this minus sign. So when the electrons are far distance, so free electron can be far distance, infinite distance. So the quantum for this free electron, it means release photon. So electron will be released, therefore, so out of this nucleus, out of this orbit. So taken in this time, n is equal to infinity, and when the converted H into H plus with lose 1 electron, so this released electron energy, released electron quantum number can be considered as an infinity. That means in this type of situation, released electron n taken infinity. Now this infinity distance electron are coming from this first orbit. It means excited state to ground state. So the energy level is continuously decreases, and after high energy level to take a low energy level, it means consider of this infinite n electron is a zero value. This energy will be considered as a zero. Therefore, after 0 to decrease, it means consider as a minus electron. So the minus energy can be considered. Now this concept can be applied for the similar electronic configuration according to their hydrogen. It means suppose for a helium Z equal to 2. So similar to hydrogen electronic configuration, helium can be written down as a plus 1. It means 1 electron goes. So He plus 1. This concept can be applied for similar electronic configuration of hydrogen. It means not apply for helium but apply for He plus 1. So now atomic number of this, it means Z equal to here 1. Next, for a lithium plus 2, helium is now this lithium, so Z equal to 3. For similar hydrogen, for a similar electronic configuration to hydrogen, lithium is converted into Li plus 2. Now beryllium Be, so Z equal to 4. Z equal to 4. Now written down Be plus 3. So is a similar electronic configuration to hydrogen. Now find same situation for this type of similar electronic configuration of hydrogen. Equation will be same here. Now find energy and then find value of radius Rn. So first find energy level. Energy for this type minus RH, equation will be same. Minus R is Rydberg constant, minus into 10 raised to minus 18 joule multiply by Z. Now Z square divided by N square, equation will be same. Z square divided by N square. But hydrogen here we have to take on 1. But now more than hydrogen, it means atomic number of helium is equal to 2. Therefore 2 square into N square. So take on N equal to 1. It means suppose for energy count for first quantum number of helium, so N equal to 1. Now second quantum number take, so N equal to 2. But equation will be Z square divided by N square. In similar way here, radius find Rn is equal to N square into A0, N square into A0 divided by Z picometer. Pm equation is here, but Z equal to 1 for hydrogen atom. That's why here we can return N square into A0. But helium more than 1 atomic number, therefore taken Z equal to 2. So written down equation is Rn is equal to N square into A0 divided by Z. It means R and Z have a reciprocal relation. R means here radius and Z means atomic number. Here reciprocal relation with radius, and increase the value of Z. Increase the value of Z when the energy will be negative. So remember that this concept. Value of energy is negative, then the value of Z equal to increase. So Z is increased, then value of E is equal to become negative. Now when the energy level become negative, so the electron is closely near to nucleus, because first orbit is more than second orbit. First orbit energy compared to second orbit, so less than. But second orbit is more than to first orbit, third orbit is more than to two orbit. It means energy will be decreased, so it means near to nucleus, therefore increasing atomic number, so energy level will be decreased, and then energy level will be decreased. It means electron is become near to nucleus, and value now this orbit can be in this orbit electron can be rotated, so the velocity of electron can be calculated by theoretically, but in this standard or in this syllabus we have to not this derivation of this concept and equation are not given in this syllabus. So velocity of electron in this standard we have to study only velocity of electron when electron are movement or the rotation around this orbit or nucleus. So energy velocity of electron can be measured. Now in this lecture we have to study Bohr atomic model for hydrogen and similar hydrogen configuration, two equations for energy, find an energy and the radius for quantum number. Thank you very much.